JDK not found. So while now I am opening my Visual Studio Code, and then the error will come here. Now see, the error is coming. Cannot locate Java installation in specified JDK home. So here what the error, that your JDK home path is not properly defined to in your system. So we will solve this problem. So let's first we have to go click on yes, we have to go to the file manager, and here go to users, then .vs code, and then extensions, and then Apache NetBeans Java file. And after that click on nb code, and after that click on etc folder. On the etc folder you will have an nbcode.config file. So double click on that and open by notepad. So it is open now. So here you can see JDK home path is not defined clearly. It is defined default here. So you have to define the exact path of JDK here. So I have copied my JDK path. So this is my JDK path where I have installed my JDK. So I'm copying this JDK path, Control C, then Control V. So now it is now changed. Click on file, click on save. Then now it's saved. So close this tab, and after that go to system settings, click on about, go to advanced system setting, click on environment variables, and then click on Java underscore home system variable. Then click on this, and here you have to choose the JDK file from this browse file, then select JDK 19 here, write JDK 19, then open. Remove this. So it is selected. Click on open. Now it is, why it is not selecting? So just wait. So it is not capturing from here. So I'm canceling that. You can write just Java JDK version here, okay, like Java 19 on your file manager. It is written like this. So click on OK. then again click on OK, and then again click on OK. Close this tab and click on yes, and now check it is again it is showing or not. So close your Visual Studio Code, then again open Visual Studio Code. Close this tab. So simply I just written the hello world program here. So I'm running now. I'm running this. So it is taking time. Sorry. So just wait. So now guys, it is taking time. So now it is running. Now see guys, our output is now showing. So this is hello world output that I have written here, that is showing. So it is working fine and error is not coming. So please subscribe my channel and also like my video. So I will upload more videos like this, and my full stack Java course uh, um, will coming soon. So please subscribe my channel and support me guys. Bye bye.